Universe. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Simplify log of 8 to the base 4 minus log of 32 to the base 8. Let's do this. Firstly, let's copy down the sum. Log of 8 to the base 4 minus log of 32 to the base 8. Let's simplify it. We can also write log of 8 to the base 4 as log of 2 cubed to the base 4 minus, this can be written as log of 2 to the power 5 to the base 8. Let's continue. Now we can write 2 as 4 to the power of half. That means root over 4 actually, equal to log of 4 to the power of half whole cube, and this to the base 4, minus, over here, 2 is actually 8 to the power of 1 by 3, which is actually the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Everyone knows that. That can be written, this 2 is actually 8 to the power of 1 by 3. We can write this as log of 8 to the power of 1 by 3, the whole to the power of 5 to the base 8. Now, we know that if it's like a to the power of m, whole to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of mn. Then it means equal to log of 4 to the power of 3 by 2 to the base 4 minus log of 8 to the power of 5 by 3 to the base 8. Again, we know another formula, which is if it's like log of 8 to the power of n to the base b, it is equal to n into log of a to the base b. Then applying that, we get 3 by 2 into log of 4 to the base 4 minus 5 by 3 into log of 8 to the base 8. We also know that log of a to the base 8 is equal to 1. This means it's equal to 3 by 2 into 1 minus 5 by 3 into 1. That's nothing but 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Ultimately, we get 9 minus 10 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator, which gives us, finally, minus 1 by 6. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. Simplify log of a squared into b cubed minus log of a cubed by b squared. Firstly, copying down the sum. Log of a squared to b cubed minus log of by b squared. We know that if it's like log of a minus log of b, then it's equal to log of A by B. Then we have to simply follow that to get this equal to log of, this is actually A squared into B cubed by A cubed by B squared. Here the numerator is A squared into B cubed, and the denominator is this whole thing, A cubed by B squared. Well, then let's do this. Equal to log of, we will ultimately get here in the numerator, if we check the B cubed into B squared, and the numerator we will be left with actually A, because A squared and A cubed cancel out to actually give A left. That's only A to the power of 1. So like that. Then B cubed into B squared is equal to B to the power of 5, because the exponents get added up. Then our final result is log of B to the power of 5 by A. This is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.